Back at the ball yard, a family Sunday, and of course, as you gather and enjoy baseball with us this afternoon with your family and friends, and another back-to-back wedding proposals on back-to-back days. The Diamondbacks leading the league in
love. Now you know this yes was a lot quicker today. I was a little worried about the one yesterday.
So you had to think about it for a few minutes.
It's just made me nervous.
1-0 the count.
Thought it was going to be a catastrophic moment for that young man trying to
swing and a miss. Last night.
This was last night. You know, there's the oh boy. Okay, finally. It took longer than that too.
They jumped ahead on the clip.